Hello friends, welcome again. This is a very important session where I would like to cover 5 tips which will help you to grow your LinkedIn leaps and bounds. Why I am able to say that confidently? Because I myself have grown from 600 followers to 60,000 followers in LinkedIn in a span of just few months. So I have that experience with me and I have learned it the hard way. Based on that, I am giving you these 5 tips. The first thing that you need to make sure is that your profile should be complete in all aspects. When I say all aspects, what do I mean? I mean to say you should have a good profile picture. Good profile picture meaning your face should be visible. It should look more professional, not a casual one like Facebook. The second thing, you have to put the about section. Then you have to talk about your experiences, the company details and all. You have to talk about your education, some endorsements, recommendations, all of this. This will make sure your profile is complete. Why should your profile be complete? Because if your profile is complete, LinkedIn algorithm recommends it to more people. LinkedIn algorithm feels that this is a genuine person. So this is the first tip, make sure profile is complete in all aspects. Second tip from my side would be you need to post quality content regularly. What do I mean regularly? What do I mean by regularly? I mean to say once in 2 days can be fine. And you need to put in the right hashtags. So it's not like you are putting so much of content daily but there is no quality. Remember, quality should be there, and even if you are putting it not very often should be fine. But make sure you post quality content and try to post it consistently. Consistently means 2 times in a week should also be good, but you have to do it regularly. Right? So posting the content will showcase yourself to more number of people and more people will get or more people will connect with you, follow you. Third tip from my side is make sure the posting time should be the day hours, not the night hours. For example, if you are in India and you are posting a post at 11 p.m., that's not right. Because after that people will be going to sleep, who will see your post? Your post will come down. So make sure you post it in the morning hours, for example, something like 10:30 in the morning, 11 o'clock in the morning, so that your post is visible throughout the day and it gets traction throughout. Fourth tip from my side, do interact with quality content. Let's say if your colleague has posted something which is really good, make sure you put a meaningful comment. Meaningful comment means not just mentioning thank you and all. You say your thoughts about it. You say that, oh yeah, this really helped someone and I also thought about it. Whatever you can think of. So you have to interact with others' content in a meaningful way. A like and comment which is done not with the intent of just doing it, but just to convey something important to the society. Fifth tip, you would be surprised to hear this. What you need to do is you might have to use the LinkedIn search capability properly, send connection requests. You might have to send inbound mails. Now you might be wondering, how come this is a suggestion? See, LinkedIn want to know that how efficiently people are able to use LinkedIn. If you are able to efficiently use its features, then LinkedIn suggests you to more people and you get that brownie points. Okay, so these are the 5 tips you need to follow in order to see excellent results. I have done it the same way from 600 followers to 60,000 followers in a few months means a lot. And remember, I learned it the hard way. Now I will give you one bonus tip. What you need to do is, you need to check your SSI score. What does SSI mean? Social Selling Index. So what you need to do is, go to Google, type LinkedIn SSI score, and there you click on the first link and say get score. And it's free of cost. That will show you a score out of 100, that what's your score. Mine is close to 80. You can check yours and mention in the comments. And if higher the score, that means more the LinkedIn algorithm is in your favor. And lesser it is, that means LinkedIn algorithm is not suggesting you to many people. So all you need to drive is that follow those 5 points and your LinkedIn SSI score will grow higher, so that the LinkedIn algorithm the LinkedIn algorithm favors you more. And then, of course, you get more reach, more followers, and things follow. I hope you would have liked this session. Do like the video and do mention your thoughts in the comments. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll be coming with more such sessions like this. Thank you all.